Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to Finally Crafting It. It's an open collab that is hosted by me and Tree from Craft On. And basically it is working on our items, projects that we haven't finished off, or using dyes that we purchased and haven't used, using your Cricut, anything that you basically had planned to craft with at one point and just put it off. And yeah, so anyways, this is an open collab that is again is hosted by me and Tree from Craft On, and it is every third Wednesday of the month. So yeah, so it's finally time. So yeah, you guys, oh my goodness, since last time I haven't had much of a crafting mojo. So this is what I came up with. I've had these tags that were gifted to me, and I was like, they're so pretty. I was honestly hoarding them and trying not to use them just because they're so pretty. Oh my goodness. So if you guys know these are Michael's, and this was back, oh my goodness, a while back ago. These were, oh my gosh, these were it back then. Anyway, so what did I end up using? I have a box, a container of extra stuff that I've been trying to craft with, items that people have gifted me, items that I'm hoarding. And I don't know if you guys all have that. Probably yes, probably not. So anyways, I ended up creating these tags. There you guys go. So this is a oh my gosh, stamps of life, and I think I day cutted it. I can't remember. I found it there and I was like, oh my goodness. So these are some flowers that Alicia oh my god, Alicia Wagman gifted me, and oh my goodness, we miss you, Alicia. If you guys are, I know she was watching at one point, so I don't know if you're still watching, but if you are, we miss you. Anyway, so these are extra items that I found, roaming around in that little container. So there you go. Okay, and here is another one. And I do not remember who gifted me this one. Oh, I love it so much. Again, I was hoarding it and trying not to use it, but you know what? I thought that it went pretty well. I mean, it's not coordinating with the colors, but it is offset. It is a purple, like a lilac flower, and it looks a little white here on the video. So I do apologize for that. I don't know what's, cameras usually don't pick up that well. So there is my other one, and here is my last one. Okay, and here again. So these were the only three I found, so I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and use that. And then I just use some of my flowers. I've had this, oh my gosh, forever, and oh my gosh, I can't think of her name. I can think of her voice, but I can't think of her name right now. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so yeah, if you remember, you remember. But yeah, this was one of my first flowers from a long time ago. And again, like I said, I was hoarding, but in it, it's time to start crafting, and finally crafting it with, yeah, anyways. So I want to appreciate everybody that's been watching, and if you are joining, I really appreciate it. Thank you for joining, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.